we've got a little kind of like remake of my gym. So it's a nice little sideboard, painted, and then if you don't have, we have like a free weight stand. It's a good place to store your weights.
You can store all the stuff in it. It looks so cute.
Yeah, and this is just, the cabinet liner to give you a little buffer.
I love it, and it's so adorable.
Yeah, drawers, we've got some,
For your yoga mats and all that stuff.
and stretching balls that we don't use.
This is actually a great idea for kitchens, too. This reminds me of oldie-timey back in the day, Julia Child.
Yes.
It's in the Smithsonian, her little pegboard.
Really?
All of her pots, pans, utensils would live on pegboard.
It's such a good
Cheap,
solution.
easy, fantastic.
Yeah.
It's what lines your kitchens. Yep.
Garage. You've got some bands behind you. Those go up on this little hook.
Gotcha.
But you can move it around, kind of put things wherever you want on it. So just
I love it.